Welcome to the slideshow, which consists of my final year project on experimental investigation and morphological characteristic of aluminum alloy 5052 glass fiber, aluminum alloy 5052 and aluminum alloy 5052 glass fiber with LDH, aluminum alloy 5052 composites. My project guide is K. Raja, ME, Mechanical Assistant Professor, Weltec University. My name is Manachari Anston Rafael, VTU 2807, which is my ID number, Mechanical Branch Final Year. My abstract is such as in the proposed project work, aluminum alloy 5052 glass fiber, aluminum alloy 5052 and aluminum alloy 5052 glass fiber LDH, aluminum alloy 5052 composite material is characterized by different analytical tests such as scanning electron microscope, field emission scanning electron microscopy with energy dispersive X-ray, X-ray diffraction and macro tests. These tests are performed to find the formability rate of the given specimen. The methodology what I used is given below. First on the specimen which I have stated before, and then I manufactured it without LDH and with LDH. First one and without LDH is of 3% and second one of 4% and third one of 5%. I did the analysis first by conducting a destructive test named as addition cupping test, and on that I performed two tests, macro test and SEP test. In the initial specimen I did FSM with IRAX and XRD test. The manufacturing manufacturing part consists of material used in preparation of sandwich sheet, which is aluminum sheet of 0.3 mm thickness, LDH powder, glass fiber, adhesive of epoxy type. LDH which can be elaborated as layered double hydroxide powder, which is basically a cation. It is used as a very good catalyst in the composite materials. Glass fiber is formed when thin strand of silica based or other formulation glass are extruded into many fibers with small diameters suitable for textile processing. Significantly less brittle when used in composites. Out of many types, I choose E types for this project. Adhesives are the resin Ardelyte LY556, Ardner HY951. Resin I mixed with LDH because if I had mixed with Ardner, the lamination would have started. So I first mixed with LDH, then I mixed with Ardner, which I basically got a mixture of epoxy resin. The method used for the composition of this sandwich sheet is and layup method. The analysis, as I've stated below, was started with a resin cupping test. First one was without LDH. As it can be seen that on 3 specimens the resin cupping test was done of the first type, that is without LDH, and in the same manner it was done for other 3 materials, which are with 3% LDH, 4% LDH and 5% LDH. On observing the 4 table closely, we can say that the 5% LDH have given the better result. This is macro test. The images are clearly visible on specimen 1, 2, 3 and 4, consisting of 0%, 3%, 4% and 5% LDH. Then I did SEM test on the initial specimen, starting with specimen 1 of 0% LDH or without LDH. 5 images are shown for each specimen. Then specimen 2 of 3% LDH, specimen 3 with 4% LDH, specimen 4 with 5% LDH. The glass fiber can be clearly seen in each of the images. Then I did FESM, that is field emission scanning electron microscopy, which is nothing but much advanced type of microscopy than SEM. with EDAX, that is energy dispersive X-ray test. In this image, these images are much more clearer than SEM test. Starting with specimen 1, specimen 2, specimen 3 and ending with specimen 4. Then EDX, that is energy dispersive X-rays, is performed on all the 4 specimens. In this we can find the composition of each specimens, which is clearly visible due to the block graph. This is XRD test, which is not much successful because of the amorphous nature of glass fiber, which cannot come under X-ray. The aluminum peaks are clearly seen, but other peaks are not so visible. The conclusion part is, in conclusion we can clearly say that the formability of aluminum alloy glass fiber aluminum alloy sandwich sheet has been improved by adding of layered double hydroxide powered and nanoclay. Specimen 4, that is aluminum alloy glass fiber 5% LDH aluminum alloy composite material is better material compared to other specimen with respect to formability and other mechanical properties. This is concluded by analyzing various results of tests such as resin cupping test, SEM, macro test, XRD and FESEM with EDAX. This is the end of my project. Thank you all for seeing my project.